Alright, so I've got these Ford center caps. My truck didn't come with them, so the dealership sent them to me. And I wasn't sure if they just popped on or how they went on, but I came across a video because I obviously didn't want to damage them. But the best way to do it is to get it on there a little bit snug. Literally just kick your foot. Didn't come out great in the video, but you just kick your foot and make it pop on. I was afraid to break them because it's really cold out here today. It's about 20 degrees. Same with the front. They're a little different because they have the locking hubs, but just get it snug on there and then give it a kick. That should be on there. Yep, it's not coming off. That's how you put the center caps on. Also, a question. I don't know if my wheels are just that dirty, or if all these center caps are chrome, or if some of them are polished to match the platinum wheels. If anybody knows that, please put it in the comments.